Understanding Bear Witness, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases. Today, we're diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, bear witness. This phrase might sound a bit formal, but it's quite common in various contexts. Let's unfold its meaning together. Bear witness is a phrase that originates from legal and historical contexts. To bear witness means to show or give evidence of something, often based on personal experience or observation. It's about providing testimony or proof of an event, action, or situation. This phrase is used both in literal and metaphorical senses. To better understand bear witness, let's look at some examples. In a courtroom, the eyewitness bore witness to the crime, helping the jury understand what happened. Historical events. Survivors of historical events bear witness to those times, ensuring that future generations learn from the past. Everyday life. The photographs bear witness to the joyous moments we shared during the trip. Some people confuse bear witness with simply witnessing something. However, bear witness involves the act of testifying or demonstrating something based on what one has seen or experienced. It's more than just being a passive observer. Incorporating bear witness into your speech can add a touch of formality and emphasis. It's particularly useful when you want to underscore the reliability or importance of your testimony. For instance, saying, "I bear witness to his kindness," is more emphatic than just saying, "I've seen him being kind." Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, bear witness. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you use this phrase more confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, language is a window to history and culture, and every phrase has a story. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.